grasshopper mouse. The southern grasshopper mouse is an endangered mouse usually found in Mexico, California, and Arizona.
The mouse is classified into the following groups.
Domain Eukaryotic, Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Chordata, Class Mammalia, Order Rodentia, Family Crypsidae, Genus Onychomys, Species Tortoise. These are the ancestors of the grasshopper mouse. The modern grasshopper mouse differs from its ancestors because it's nocturnal, carnivorous, and it turns its venom into painkillers.
The first adaptation is that it has furry soles on its feet which help it grip onto things like trees to climb and get food. It also has a short tail that makes it run faster, big eyes to help it with its nocturnality, and no pain receptors which help it not feel pain when it gets stung or bitten by a predator. It mostly lives in dry areas like prairies with low grass and also pasture lands of the central and southwestern parts of the United States. The climate in that area is usually dry and hot, so they only receive about 3 to 16 inches of rain annually. They spend most of their daytime in burrows like the cache burrows used for storing seeds and the nest burrows used for sleeping. They also build emergency burrows for escaping predators. When threatened, it defends its territory by howling and screeching like a small wolf at the predator or at the moon before attacking.
Believe it or not, this 6-inch carnivorous critter howls like a wolf. Grasshopper mice rise up on 2 legs, nose to the wind, and release a high-pitched howl to defend their territory. Don't tell these toughies to eat their veggies. They dine on grasshoppers, worms, even spiders and scorpions, taking them down with a swift bite to the head. Now chew on this. Grasshopper mice are the only meat-eating rodents in North America.
The only predators that this organism has are humans, owls, and other nocturnal birds. But its diet consists of grasshoppers, beetles, spiders, centipedes, millipedes, worms, lizards, scorpions, snakes, and other mice.
This is a video of a grasshopper mouse fighting against a tarantula and a scorpion.
Tarantulas and scorpions are the stuff of nightmares, silent and deadly. Both are in search of prey, and there is even a chance that their paths will cross. But an even more ferocious predator lurks in the shadows. One that has no fear of scorpions or spiders, despite its small stature. This ferocious predator is the grasshopper mouse. A mouse that knows what it takes to tackle such creatures. The shrill howl it often releases before an attack startles its prey. The attack itself, a series of clever tactics designed to disarm lethal defenses.
This is a giant centipede in Mexico's Sonoran Desert. When this critter gets hungry, it seeks out prey with its antennae. It can paralyze and kill using the poison claws on the underside of its head. It mostly dines on bugs, but will go after larger meals up to and including grasshopper mice like this one. The giant centipede finds the babies especially delectable, easily devouring one by itself. The centipede is on the prowl. The grasshopper mice are ready and willing to defend their young. Just how able they are, we'll soon find out. The adult mice take up battle stations. Who wades into the fray? The female, of course. It takes all the agility she's got to avoid the centipede's venomous fang. Imagine a kung fu film starring a giant centipede and a grasshopper mouse. It would probably look something like this. You've got to admit, that mouse mom has got serious game. She finally whips the centipede, while the male looks on. No doubt who the warrior is in this family. Back in the nest, the warrior queen turns back into just plain mom.
Although they do not feel pain, humans are harming them with insecticides, habitat reductions, fragmentations, and degradation. Scientists are preserving habitats for kangaroos, leopard lizards, and San Antonio foxes. Meanwhile, they are helping the grasshopper mouse repopulate and build its environment.
What's up, everybody? This is Dimitri. You guys all know me. Sina, the girl who sits in front of the class who's quiet, and Caroline, who sits at the back of the class and who's quiet.
Big eyes to help it with its nocturnality. Is that a word?
Yeah.